హాయ్ అండి, నేను మీ ప్రియాంక. వెల్కమ్ టు లెర్నింగ్ లెన్స్ ఛానల్. Today we will discuss level 2 problems in the coordinate geometry. So what is the question? The real part of cos alpha plus I sin alpha, cos beta plus I sin beta plus I cos beta, sin alpha plus I cos alpha. Okay, what if one the real part? So in complex numbers, real part and imaginary part will be there, like this, a plus I. Okay, it is also in the form of a plus n. So this is the real part and this is the imaginary part. So they are asking only about the real part. Okay, this is all about complex numbers. This is about complex numbers. So what we need to find? The determinant of this. So what is this determinant? Second order or third order? Second order. So second order determinant. Second order determinant. So it is in the form of A, B, C, D. So for this second order determinant, what is the formula? AD minus BC. Let us assume this as A, B, C, D. So for this, the determinant value is AD minus BC. So simply substitute the AD and BC values in this form. So now first, what is the A value? Cos alpha plus I sin alpha into what is D value? Sin alpha plus I cos alpha minus what is B value? Cos beta plus I sin beta into what is C value? Sin beta plus I cos beta. Okay, first of all multiply this term with this, next this term with this term with this, and this term with this. So again here also this term with this, and again this term with this term with this, and again this term with this. That is a multiplication process we have to carry. Next, so draw the lines from where to where, and okay, cos alpha into sin alpha plus cos I into cos alpha into cos alpha, cos square alpha. So I am multiplying based on the lines, plus I sin alpha into sin alpha, I into sin square alpha plus I into I square sin alpha into cos alpha minus open and closing brackets. I am doing the open and closing brackets minus open the bracket cos beta into sin beta, cos beta into sin beta plus I into cos beta into cos beta, that is cos square beta, plus I into sin beta is sin square beta, plus I into I is nothing but I square sin beta into cos beta. In complex numbers, what is I square value? Minus 1. I square value is minus 1. Okay. I square value is nothing but minus 1. So I am keeping in the place of I square minus 1. Cos alpha into sin alpha plus I am taking common I in these both terms. Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. I square is nothing but minus 1. Sin alpha into cos alpha minus again this also cos beta into sin beta. Cos beta into sin beta. Again I am taking common I in these both terms. So what is left here? Cos square beta plus sin square beta plus what is value of I square we got? Minus 1. So minus sin beta into cos beta. Okay. Cos alpha plus sin alpha. One positive and one negative always get cancelled. So what is the value of cos square alpha plus sin square value? Is 1. From trigonometry we know that cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is 1. So I into 1 minus here also this value is 1 and here also 1 negative and 1 positive get cancelled minus I into 1, that is 0. Here no real part is present and no imaginary part is present. So they are asking about the real part. The real part of the determinant is 0. So when we need to do this kind of problems, we should be aware of some basic rules in complex numbers and also in the trigonometry. Okay, understood? If you have any doubts, text me in the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe.